be. Matthew 2. Wise men come salute Jesus. After them born Jesus for Bethlehem wey dey Judea, for the time where Herod be king, some wise men from east come go Jerusalem dey ask, where the Jew king wey dem just born? We see the star wey talk about am, so we come worship am. Wetin dem talk so vex King Herod and Jerusalem people. So the king gather all the priests oga dem and the people wey sabi the law come ask dem, where na think say dem go for born Christ? Dem come answer, na for Bethlehem wey dey Judea, just as prophet Isaiah write say, Bethlehem people, una wey small pass for all the people wey dey rule Judah, na from una the person wey go lead all my people for Israel go from come. Then Herod call the wise men go corner, make dem for tell am when dem see the star. E come say, make una go look for the pikin well well. When una don see am, make una come tell me, so that me too go worship am. When the king talk finish, the wise men come dey go, and the star wey dem see before come dey lead dem until e stop on top the house where the pikin dey. When dem see the star, dem come dey happy. Dem enter the house, see the pikin with im mama, come kneel down worship am. Then dem open their bag, come give am some gifts wey be gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Because God warn dem for dream make dem no go back go meet Herod, dem come pass another road go their house. Josef and im family run go Egypt. When the wise men don go, God angel come tell Joseph for dream, get up, carry the pikin and im mama, run go Egypt. Make una stay there until I go tell you wetin una go do, because Herod he wan kill the pikin. That same night, Joseph wake up, carry the pikin and im mama, run go Egypt. Then stay there till Herod die. This thing make wetin God prophet talk happen, say, I call my pikin comot from Egypt. When Herod see say the wise men deceive am, he vex well well. So he send soldiers make dem go kill all the boys wey don reach 2 years come down, because he don reach 2 years when the wise men come meet am say dem see the star. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen, say, people hear cry and shout for Ramah. Rachel dey cry for im pikin dem wey dey don die, and nothing wey people talk fit make im heart strong. Joseph and im family go back to Nazaret. After Herod die, God angel appear to Joseph for a dream when he still dey Egypt, come tell am, make you get up, carry the pikin and im mama go Israel, because the person wey wan kill am, he don die. So he carry the pikin and im mama go Israel back. But when he hear say Archelaus dey rule for Judea after Herod im papa don die, Joseph come fear to go there. After God don warn am for dream, he come go Galilee. When he reach Nazaret, he come stay there. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen, say, dem go say Jesus na Nazareth he from come. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel. Then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone, go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends. And most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.